Hello guys. We are here in the France today. We are here in the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower it's in our back. See? Very nice. The Eiffel Tower. It's color gold. The light is color gold. Then then this time today is night time. We are here in Eiffel Tower night time, no? Arsis, no? Ingna sila. Unsa, what can you say? Oy, what can you say?
What can you say about the tower?
Then we come here. It's very far from Philippines. We travel. We ride a airplane going to here in Eiffel Tower. Mm. And then I hope that you are okay there who is watching this video.